Hi everyone, today we will demonstrate how to use 8 MYS500 flexible cabinets to form a standard circle. We claim that the maximum bending arc of this product is plus or minus 22.5 degrees, meaning a single cabinet can bend up to 45 degrees, and 8 cabinets assembled together make exactly 360 degrees. However, during actual installation, you may find that the maximum bending arc of the cabinet is actually greater than plus or minus 22.5 degrees, possibly reach plus or minus 30 degrees or even more. Although the cabinet can indeed bend to a larger arc, we do not recommend this, because 22.5 degrees is the safe limit we have tested. If this arc is exceeded, the tensile stress on the PCB board will become overloaded. Therefore, when assembling a circle, our suggestion is to first use 4 cabinets to form a semicircle with a diameter of 1.27 meters. And then join the 2 semicircles together. If the diameter is too large and the number of cabinets is too high, we recommend first assembling 1 semicircle and then attaching the remaining cabinets one by one to form the other semicircle. Hope the video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.